Thanks, Mario. Happy 4th. Thank you so much for coming out. This is even better turnout than last year. It's going to get better every year. We're going to have an awesome night. We've got our resident DJ Jason Stella over here on the ones and twos. We're about to start the parade. We're going to come down Lombard, and we're going to make our way all the way through Nob Hill. We're going to come back and end it right here. We're going to have a really good time. We got a live band tonight, Flora and Fauna. We got a lot of thanks to Travis County Constable, these two guys out here, taking time away for their family to be here with us right now. So let's give a round of applause to them. We got Tower Ladder 1104 coming out with their time with the fire truck, so thank you guys for the engine, really appreciate it. Big thanks to Stephen and Nicole Moss for letting us use their amazing driveway. Thank you guys, and big props to Nicole for securing the band for us tonight. She's awesome. If you guys know her, you know that already. And a big thanks for DJ Jason Stella for donating his time. Thank you guys. Sherry Smith over here, our neighborhood realtor. She's got popsicles for everybody. We're just gonna have a good time. So about 7:30 right now, we're about to start the parade. About 8 o'clock or so, we've got Flora and Fauna playing. 9 o'clock, we're gonna Kaboom Town. Let's have some fun. Here we go.
Ever get that feeling coming over you? Like a never-ending, real-time deja vu. Suddenly transported on a wave of space and time. Listen to Only Shallow by my Bloody Valentine. But what if every day were just like springtime in December? Everywhere you go, don't forget to bring the weather. This 4th of July, under the summertime sun, we're gonna make it last forever. This 4th of July, under the summertime sun, we're gonna make it all together right here, right now. Ever seen a sunset overtake the moon? We're coming round the mountain on some Sunday afternoon. We will always be here, on that you can depend. Like a distant bonfire, the song that never ends. But what if every year you just had one thing to remember? Everywhere you go, don't forget to bring a sweater. This 4th of July, under the summertime sun, we're gonna make it last forever. This 4th of July, under the summertime sun, we're gonna make it all together right here, right now, right here, right now. What if every year you just had one thing to remember? Everywhere you go, don't forget to bring a sweater. This 4th of July, under the summertime sun, we're gonna make it last forever. This 4th of July, under the summertime sun, we're gonna make it all together.
To want me to hold me, to tell me the truth. I see you give the sign, I wanna boom like it's never been done. Busting moves that the click boom of a gun. In the marquee, in the bass is boom, and someone smoking boom at the back of the room. And it's the first day of boom, and the flowers are blooming. Drum boom, bass, and the party is booming. Boom, ba boom, like a rocket taking off to the moon. Boom, boom, like a bride and boom. See you shaking that boom, boom. See you looking at my boom, boom. See you want some boom, boom. It's clear as boom, time, boom, boom. Let me buy you a boom, boom. You order a fancy boom. You like boom, and I like boom. Enough small boom, let's boom the boom.
Fast forward, selector.
Now we're rolling on a boom, boom. Right into my private room, and we know what's happening. We both assume we're gonna boom, boom, boom till the break of boom. Who's a boom king?
Who?
I'm the boom king.
What?
Who's a boom king?
Tell me now.
I'm the boom king.
He's the boom king.
Chaka chaka chaka. Chaka chaka chaka. Chaka chaka chaka. Chaka chaka chaka. My phone is beeping, his boom's boom. He's back from 10 years doom and gloom. And they said he had his boom chopped off in the boom, but the crazy boom still loves the boom and zip the boom.